Think you know peacocks? Buckle up because these flamboyant fowls are full of surprises. Fact 1. Did you know that only males are actually called peacocks? Females are peahens and together they're peafowl. Fact 2. Those stunning tail feathers? They're not tail feathers at all, but elongated back feathers, known as train feathers. Fact 3. Peacocks can fly. Despite their hefty trains, these birds are capable of short, strong flights. Fact 4. Their piercing calls? They're not just noise, but a communication tool, used for everything from mating calls to danger alerts. So, next time you spot a peacock, remember, there's more than meets the eye. Enjoyed this quick burst of bird brilliance? Give a thumbs up, subscribe to Whisker of Wisdom and stay tuned for more.